Dubai already has the busiest airport in the world. Why does it need another one? Fair question, and honestly, the most obvious one. Hey guys, I'm Disha Jain and welcome back to 5 Wonders of the UAE. So far we have talked about Disneyland, Abu Dhabi, redefining tourism, Etihad Rail reshaping transportation and movement, and Wynn Casino on the Al Marjan Island redefining entertainment history. Today we are talking about a wonder that doesn't just move people, it moves the world. Wonder number 4, Al Maktoum International Airport. Now let's start with context. DXB International Airport is already the busiest airport in the world. Over 85 million passengers a year. A global hub connecting east and west. A logistic miracle. So why build another airport? Because Dubai isn't just planning for today. Dubai is planning for the next 50 years. And Al Maktoum International Airport, located in the heart of Dubai South, is not just about expansion. It's not a backup, it's not a second option. In fact, it's a complete replacement in the making. Once fully completed, Al Maktoum International Airport is expected to handle up to 260 million passengers a year. Let that sink in. That's more than Heathrow Airport, JFK, LAX, Charles de Gaulle combined. This will be the largest international airport ever built in the human history. And no, it's not an exaggeration. But here's why it truly makes into a wonder. This airport is not being built in isolation. Unlike other global airports which were squeezed in the cities and then struggled with congestion, Dubai did something radically different. It planned an entire city around the airport, Dubai South. A master plan of aviation, logistics, and commercial ecosystem spanning 145 square kilometers. That includes residential communities, business districts, logistic hubs, free zones, warehousing and trade centers, hospitality and retail, schools, hospitals, and lifestyle infrastructures. This means that people won't just fly through Al Maktoum International Airport, they live, work, and build businesses around it. Now let's talk about aviation. Al Maktoum International Airport is designed to operate 5 runways simultaneously, dedicated terminals for airlines like Emirates, 400 gates, advanced cargo handling facilities, next-gen automation, AI-driven cargo, and seamless passenger flow. This airport is not just about passengers, it's about global trade. Dubai is already one of the world's largest cargo and logistic hub, and Al Maktoum International Airport supercharges that role. Faster cargo movements, lower congestion, direct connectivity between air, sea and rail. Yes, rail. Because Etihad Rail and Al Maktoum Airport are parts of the same global expansion vision of UAE. Now let's talk about real estate. Because this is where this ripple effect becomes impossible to ignore. Every global airport has a growth story around it. But it is very rare that a city developed even before the airport became operational. This is called planning in the UAE. And around Al Maktoum International Airport, we are already seeing communities, real estate, schools, hospitals, shopping malls sinking in. With rising demand for housing, growth in short-term rentals already, lots and lots of commercial offices coming up, logistic parks, hospitality and service departments as the current DXB airport slowly transitions its way towards Al Maktoum Airport, making this zone very crucial for the UAE's economy. And this isn't speculation. This is infrastructure-led growth, and the UAE has already mastered this formula. Another key point: sustainability. Al Maktoum International Airport is built around energy efficiency, reduced emissions, smart systems, future-ready expansion and planning. So guys, this isn't an airport that will be outdated in the next 20 years. In fact, it's being designed to scale for generations. So when people say it's just another airport, no, it's not. In fact, it's the future gateway of global aviation. It's the engine of Dubai's next economic growth phase. It's a city built around movement, growth, trade and opportunity. And that's why Al Maktoum International Airport is the fourth wonder of the UAE government. And now we have reached the final chapter. In the next episode, we'll unveil wonder number 5, a project so ambitious that it changes how people will live, work and experience the UAE at a completely different level. So see you in the next episode of 5 Wonders of the UAE. Until then, if you have any questions, please drop down in the comment section. If you find the video informative, we request you to like the video, subscribe to our channel. We have mentioned our contact number on the screen. If you have any real estate related queries, or if you are curious about a certain location, what will be the future developments, what will be the future hotspots around it, please feel free to contact us. Till then, thank you so much. See you in the next video.